This is a video review of the UREVO treadmill. I use this for a walking desk. It comes with a remote control. Love this thing. Literally so easy to set up. You take it out of the box, take the plug out, plug it into the wall, and you're good to go. So how it works is there is the on-off button down here. It's on wheels, which is super easy. You also have a side here. That's where you can put the remote control if you want to store it there. Folds up easy, super light. So what you would do to turn it on, just flip that button. You'll see here, I'll flip around over here. So what you would do is you would start to go up with this. You'd hit that button there, and it's gonna start 3, 2, 1. When it starts moving, you start walking on it. If you want the thing to go up, you just keep going, just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a great addition to an office. I actually took this out for you so you could see exactly how it operates. I absolutely love it. Makes it much easier for me to get my steps for the day. And when you want to shut it off, it goes down just like that. And all set. I hope you found this video review helpful. If you are looking for a treadmill to put under your desk, could not recommend this enough. Super sturdy, really easy to move, pick up, put under a desk. Really, really like this. I can't recommend it enough.